Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to create your very own Telegram bot using BotFather. It's super easy and I promise it will be very easy for you to set up. So the very first thing you need to do is to find BotFather in Telegram. He is like a godfather of the bots in Telegram. Just search for Godfather. This is the handle. This is the very first one with the check mark. Click on this. Start your conversation and you will get this kind of window. Now you hit /new bot, or you can click on here as well. Now BotFather will ask you for the name of the bot. This is the name that will appear in the chat, so something that makes sense to you. Okay, so let's write something like my hero bot. So this is the name of your bot, but you have to be a bit creative while making the username. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write the same thing. Make sure you have bot at the end and type enter. So let's just be a bit creative. You have this API token. This is very much important. So tap on this to copy it to the clipboard and save it somewhere else. Very safe. This is like a password for your bot. Now if you tap on this, it will navigate you to the bot page. Start a conversation. Alright, that's it. You have created your own Telegram bot and have its API key. Now you can start thinking about what you can do with this bot. Maybe it can help you with daily reminders or provide weather updates or even play simple games. If you are interested in learning how to code your bot, stay tuned for my next video where I will show you how to write your first bot command. And remember, if you have any question or need help, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.